Bactine cleansing spray, pain relieving, max, 5 fluid ounces. Product details. New and improved sprayer. First aid reliever and antiseptic. Kills 99% of germs commonly associated with skin infections. Max strength germ killing. 4% Lidocaine HCl max strength pain reliever. No sting. Money back guarantee. www.bactine.com. Questions. 1-844-241-5454. Monday to Friday 8 to 5 Est, or www.bactine.com. Kills 99% of germs. Germs commonly associated with skin infections. Drug facts. Active ingredients. Purpose. Benzalkonium Cl 0.13% with W. First aid antiseptic. Lidocaine HCl 4% with W. Pain relieving spray. Uses. First aid to help prevent bacterial contamination or skin infection and for temporary relief of pain and itching associated with minor cuts, scrapes, minor burns, sunburn, minor skin irritations. Warnings. For external use only. Ask a doctor before use if you have deep or puncture wounds, animal bites, serious burn. When using this product, do not use in or near the eyes. Do not apply over large areas of the body or in large quantities. Do not apply over raw surfaces or blistered areas. Stop use and ask a doctor if condition worsens, symptoms persist for more than 7 days, or clear up and occur again within a few days. Keep out of reach of children. If swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Max strength germ killing and pain reliever. 4% Lidocaine HCl. No sting. Instructions. Adults and children 2 years and older. Clean the affected area. Spray a small amount on the area 3 to 4 times daily. May be covered with a sterile bandage. Let dry first. Children under 2 years. Ask a doctor.